Hi children, welcome back to the science 10th lesson, that is simple machines. Here, what is meant by machine? We know that in our regular life, in our daily life, we use machines, and the machines that we use, they all are man-made. They all are man-made, means the machines are made by human. So all these are artificial things. All these are artificial things, right? For example, uh, you want to go from one village to another village. Then what you are going to do? If you don't have any machine with you, then simply you are going to walk. So for example, here you are at the A and you have to go up to the B, and it is near about 2 kilometer long distance. How much time it takes? It takes near about 15 minutes by walk. If you go by walk, it takes near about 15 minutes. Then instead of walking, if you go by bicycle, if you go by bicycle, then what happens? The time will be reduced. The time will be reduced to go from A to B. Say for example, it took 5 minutes. And in the third case, what happened? You just went from A to B in a car. You went in a car. Then what happens? Within 2 minutes, you will be there. So when you observe these three situations, what happened? When you are walking, you went from A to B in 15 minutes. That is what? Without any machine, simply you are walking. And whereas if you use the cycle, when you are walking, you're gonna struggle. Why? Because your body muscles all they are working together. So it takes 15 minutes to reach there and you will sweat. Whereas the same distance, if you use cycle, then the effort that you are walking will be reduced and you need not to struggle much like you are walking on the road. Whereas in the third case, when you are using car, there is no strain to you, and very easily, very quickly, very fastly you are reaching from A to B without any effort. Without any effort. So here when you observe carefully, in first case the work that you done is very hard and time taking process. In second one it is little bit hard, whereas time is reduced. In the third one it is very easier and time is also saved. 15 minutes, here 2 minutes, means 13 minutes you could save. So here we use the things, whatever the things that we are using to make our work easier. To make our work easier, they are what called machines. They are called machines. For example, if you want to wash your clothes, it may take near about 20 minutes to wash or something, and you require energy to wash the clothes. समझो आपको बुखार आ गया, काम नहीं कर पा रहे, then you are unable to wash your clothes. So here if you use washing machine washing machine, then what happens? You can able to reduce the effort and it is easy. Just simply we have to throw the used cloth in the washing machine, and if you apply the what you call washing liquid or detergent and as well as water to it, automatically it is going to work and it reduces your strain. It is reducing your work. So this is what called, it is also a machine. And whereas for example, if you want to store the food, then you use it to store in some cool places in the pots or somewhere in the olden days, and you could not make them to be fresh for the longer period. Whereas if you use the fridge, then it is easy to store the food for the longer period, right? So here using fridge, using car, bicycle, using washing machine, all these things, they are nothing but machines. They are machines which makes our work easier. They makes our work easier and faster. For example, if you want to stitch a cloth by hand, it takes much time to stitch a cloth with the hand. Whereas if you use the sieving machine or stitching machine, then what happens? Within few minutes you are going to weave a cloth. So remember, here the machines are the artificial things that makes our work easier and faster. It makes our work easier and faster. Now look at these pictures. Look at these pictures. Right. Here in the figure, when you look at this, the person is trying to move a stone with hands, with spare hands, right, with empty bare hands. Can he able to push it easily? Can he lift it easily? No, it become very hard to push the rock, or it is called what you call a stone, a bigger stone. It is very hard to move. Whereas if you look at the second figure, or otherwise in this figure, if you next figure, right, here look into the figure. What is the person doing here? He is trying to lift the stone, the big stone. He unable to move it with the bare hands because it is very heavier. He require something to lift it easily, because without any using machine, the work become very hard and late, we know that. So to move that stone from one place to another place, he require more energy. Whereas look into the next figure. Here what happened? He can able to lift the such a big stone easily by using a rod, so here it is the rod that is using. It is a simple machine, and we call it as lever. Right. Let us see the next figure. Right, see here what is going on here. She or he is trying to take out the water from the well, but it is very heavier, hard and time taking to pull the water with a bucket, with a rope, without any machine. We have to strain a lot to pull the water from the well. Whereas now let us see the next picture. Right, here what is going on? Simply she or he used a wheel. We call it as pulley. So simply by using pulley, the taking out of water from the well, it become very easy. Have you understood? In the first case she struggled a lot, whereas in second case it is very easy to take out the water from the well by using pulley. Whereas next third figure, right, look at this third figure. What do you understood from this? Here the person is trying to push the load or lift the load and keep in the van. Is it possible to him to lift such a heavy material to lift and put it in the van? No, it is very hard task. Whereas there is a simple technique by using a simple machine. See now. Okay, next figure. Right, in this picture what you observed? Simply what he is doing here? Simply he used the inclined surface. So inclined surface is nothing but uh, in which it from like a descending order from top to bottom. It is inclined. It is inclined, right? So inclined plane surface make easy to lift the weight into the van. Okay. Here we observed three figures. What do you understood from this? In the first case, when you want to lift the stone, he used a rod and we are calling it as lever. And whereas in second case, while taking out the water from the well, she used the pulley. And next third case, he used the inclined surface. So lever, pulley, inclined surface, and as well as screw, the screw that you seen, screw, and as well as wheel and axle. These are all called simple machines. Actually, all these big machines like car, cycle, fridge, radio, whatever it may be, all these machines are complex machines. These complex machines are made up of simple machines. The big complex machines are made up of simple machines. So in these simple machines we are going to learn about what we are going to learn. We will learn about the lever, pulley, inclined plane, screw, and as well as wheel and axle. Right. So let us start with the first one. Let us start with first simple machine. The first simple machine, that is lever. Okay. The first simple machine is the lever. Okay. Tell me here what you observed in the lever. Lever is a rod actually. Lever is a rod. It is a rod to lift the material where it has a fixed point. And here we are trying to lift a large load. So in a lever there are three parts. First one, the part where we show effort. And whereas second one, fulcrum. And third one, load. So in a lever there are three parts: effort, fulcrum, load. Effort is a part where we are applying the pressure. For example, if a person working here is going to apply pressure with his hands, here, right? So here effort, the person is efforting for what? To lifting the load. Here what is meant by load? Load is the material on which the effort works. And fulcrum is the place where there is a stable material, by which we can able to lift the heavy material without any large effort, right? So this is what called lever. Lever contain a rod which is fixed to a fixed point, right? So here effort, fulcrum, load. In simple manner, in code word we can use EFL. So EFL is need not to be stable. Always effort should not be here, always fulcrum should not be here, and always load may be not here. They changes according to the thing that we are using. They may changes, right? So here there are some examples for the lever. Now see here, right? Look at this. the opener, it has different parts. So effort is one place, and there is a fulcrum and there is a load to lift it, to open the what you call ढक्कन. उसका ढक्कन रहता है ना, ढक्कन ओपन करने के लिए जो ओपनर इस्तेमाल करते हैं ना, वो एक सिंपल मशीन होता है. और नट क्रैकर, इन द नट क्रैकर the fulcrum will be at the end. And you are going to apply effort from the both side, and load will be at the center, nutcracker, right? And as well as you can use next thing, that is tweezer, right? Tweezer, it is used by the doctor. Tweezer, it decreases the force that we apply. Actually, lever, it can do two things. Number one, it can able to increase the force. See here, the same effort it increases the force on the load, whereas in case of tweezer, the force decreases. In first case, the force increase, in second case the force decrease. So lever can make us to increase the force and as well as to decrease the force. So tweezer is the material used by the doctor. And seesaw game, have you played the seesaw game? In seesaw game, the main role is nothing but simple machine, that is lever. On a lever, the the children, they play, fulcrum will be at the center, and even scissors. In the scissors also, effort will be at the end, fulcrum is in the middle, and load will be at the end, right? So this is about a simple machine called a lever. So let us see pulley and other materials in the next class. I hope you understood the lever. Lever is a rod which is fixed to a certain point, right? Thank you.